let's go. What did you say? No.
So today we are filming
What?
Speed Horror.
Huh?
Yeah.
I still see yawa. We gotta lock in. No. No.
Stop this.
No. Bro? No. What those messages, bro?
No, that's my friend. Wanna play with me?
Clock in.
Let's
No, we're locking in.
Locking
We're
in.
locking in. We're locking in.
Fucking bitch.
We gotta
Get the broom.
get the broom.
Get the broom.
Okay, gotta get the broom.
Bro. Wow,
Oh, hey! Oh, hey! Take out the trash too. Don't look behind the dumpster. What if I look behind the dumpster? What would happen?
Dead, bitch.
How dare you? How dare you? Don't call me that. You dumb bitch. You dumb bitch. You dumb
Stop
bitch.
it.
No.
Stop.
No, you better stop.
I,
Pay for the customer.
let's go.
Okay.
Why is my
No, what?
why is my job is not working?
Your what?
My job. Look,
Jump. It's. I think it was the developers made it the
hello, bitch.
on purpose. Not jump to not
No,
jump. Bruh, you look like. What are you laughing at? That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny.
I just put
Hey,
the bed, bro.
shut up. You have a ugly name.
Alright,
You have so difficult name to pronounce.
what's his name?
To spell. I don't know. Sisimula sa F. Start with the F. No.
Fast, right.
No.
Fast, restock, bitch. No.
We're stuck. Okay, we gotta get the box.
You get it. You get it. You get it.
Why you scared? Why? You're
You
scared?
go.
Okay,
You
fine.
go.
Getting that. Someone is scared. Okay, I'm going. Near. Near.
Go.
Stop that, bro.
No, restock, bitch.
You gotta restock too. Don't just stare at me. No! No.
It's been sticking to the
Where? The dumpster. At the back. It's just a phone. How dare you? No!
No!
No, the speed, I need this. Speed, I need this. Hey, you better close the door.
Is that I so bad? Is that I so bad?
No. Are you alone here? No. I'm not alone.
I don't speed.
No. No, I'm not. Look at us. There's two of us. Can you see with your own eyes? I don't like liars.
I'm hiding.
Okay, you hide. What a weirdo. Wait, you can hide here? No, it's just a glitch, I think. Hey, you better get going now. It shows speed. Stop being a weirdo.
Hey, stop sticking things on my camera, bro.
What? No. Just my little sister.
Bro, take the trash out.
They said we don't we should not look behind after they take the. You take the other one. Take the other one.
Hey, stop
Jingsu, stop.
getting my thing, bro.
We don't have to look at the. So don't look behind. Don't look behind. But stop screaming. Don't look behind. So we have. Okay, scream.
Back up!
No! Why are you screaming? Why is right here?
Hello.
The,
You need to die. Shut the fuck up,
no, you're just hiding. I don't like it.
I don't want to. I don't want to play this game.
No.
Wow.
Hello, Mr. Man. My Mr. na nga, may man pa.
Mr. Oh, so bad.
Sit,
No,
sit.
No!
You stick. How dare you do
Okay,
that?
you smell yourself first.
Why are all the customers so rude?
Anita!
Karen. Maybe because you stink.
Bro,
It doesn't even
smell
make sense.
yourself. Smell yourself first, bro.
Alright. Kind of makes sense. Alright,
Okay.
just leave. Alright, hey.
Delete that.
Nah,
Let's
I'm too
stop it.
lazy.
Did you see that?
Wait.
That, bro?
You gotta clean the toilet too.
Oh,
That
this-
stink. Stink.
I'll check behind your bed, bro.
Okay, it's good.
got
It's good to go. Right?
I'm hiding.
No. Okay, go hide.
The
Okay, go
customer
hide.
here.
Please don't be
Why
rude.
is his eyes
Please
like
don't
that?
rude. Hey, you better close the door.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you better close the door. Jingsu, close the door. I agree. Close the door.
Alright.
Oh, he's a nice man. Alright, well, I'll be coming back here. Thank you, sir. Is that ah?
Oh, that shit.
Is that a threat? Is that a threat?
No.
Is it really a threat? I am coming to you. Wait. Hey, get up! I'm reading it. Get up! Look behind you. I'm coming for you.
Holy shit.
No. I think it's coming for you, but not me.
Oh, I thought it was a hole.
Okay. What is he saying?
Hole.
So silence.
Hole.
Hey. What the? Hey, you better Uy, na mo nga yan! Hello, what is your emergency? Na mo yan! Visual Speed is stalking me.
Oh, shit.
Is that a question? Hey, stop it. I want to play more. Yeah, right. It will come anyways legally.
No, she up there.
Crap, go. Oop,
I just
I'm coming for you. There's literally a letter in here. No.
Oh,
Banana! Banana! Minion fan. Why did it takes you so long to come here? You just come. What do you mean? I came here as soon as I could. That's true. Alright, Mr. Liar. Why is everyone so... No, why is everyone so rude today? You didn't even order. Why is everyone so rude?
No,
I'ma just quick and get my salary back. Oh, final liar? Are you serious? I don't like this.
I don't like this.
Okay, you better go first.
No, you go first.
You better go first.
better
Because
go
I go first earlier. You better go first too.
No, you go first.
Nah, I'm
No,
not
you're
going.
the
I am
older
not
one.
going.
You're the older
I am
one.
not going.
No, you're the older one. You're the
I'm not going. That
You need to
doesn't
play.
even make sense.
You need to play.
If you have to play on your own.
I'm not mature
I'm just,
enough.
I'm just joking. You better come with me then.
Stop this shit. I'm scared.
What's that? Try to fix the fuse box.
How do you even use this? Oh, tap it.
I think we gotta get to one. Okay.
Tap it. Tap the lighter.
I am.
Zombie. Yeah.
Oh.
Zombie.
I think it's two.
Nah, we did, bitch.
Oh, we have to go back.
We don't.
I think it's a
I
go
think
back in the back. In the back.
I got.
Oh, you already know. Why did you tell me? Okay, you better go first this time.
No, you come.
No, I'm not turning that on. I'm not turning that on. Okay, I'll come with you, but one behind. Oh, I can open the door. Okay.
You can't open the door.
Yeah, because there's a little jump scare. Oh.
You can't.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna fix it. You're blocking my view. You're blocking it. Okay, got a one.
I want your bed.
I need to find something to fix this. Are you serious?
No, see that.
You shouldn't just.
That is not.
You shouldn't just think. Where is that?
Where is that? I think that's so
From there. Okay, you better go first this time.
Where?
There. This time we going first. Oh, why is it in here? This doesn't even make sense.
Oh.
Why me? No, stop doing that. That's
I'll
bad.
come with you.
Okay, come with me this time.
Come with you.
Okay, don't block my view. Don't block. Don't block. Okay, run this time. Okay,
No!
I'm running. I'm running. Open the door. Sayings. Why is it not turning on yet? No. Wait for the customer. It's already here.
He is coming!
Okay, okay. Then I better run this time.
Hi.
Where? Where? Shani here.
No! Open the door.
Hide.
Get it.
I'm hiding. Okay.
Get it.
Yeah, I'm getting
I'm
one.
scared! Mommy!
Bro, you're so OA. We're already hiding. There's no problem.
Oh.
No.
I just realized.
Realize. Well, you're so dumb today.
Oh, God.
Didn't you realize that? No. 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 Shh.
Mama!
No! So speed? I need this. Okay, yeah, you better shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut. Shut.
I did
Ah! No, bro.
My mom is trying to hold me.
This is not the ending. Are you serious? The police came and chased the cursed show speed away. They must have caught it. I guess I can go home now later that day. Stop! Finish? Is that finished?
No.
I think we're gonna get followed. Where are we going? Left or right?
Walk home.
Here? No, there. There. Saan?
Dumb!
Oh.
Mama.
We're gonna get followed. I
Run,
think.
just run, bitch.
I think we're
Bitch, run!
I think we're getting followed. I feel it. I know it. What the
What the
fuck?
hell?
Why is it so big?
Girl, twerk it, girl.
Here. Here. I'm looking behind. Okay, I'm better not look behind right now.
Bitch, run.
No.
Bitch, don't get up far ahead of me.
No. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you.
I'm faster than you.
I'm faster. I'm faster. Queso! Help us! Help us! Queso! I'll save you! Thank you! Bro, siya. Huh? I know. Oh! It's really, I don't think, hey, good ending. The able speed did not by the counter, did he?
No, I was scared. Yeah!
W. Queso! My favorite swimmer. Who's your favorite boy? Is show speed or Queso?
Queso.
Yeah! I think show speed is more popular than him. And I think the biggest streamer is show speed, right?
Yeah.
But Queso, for my opinion, is better. My opinion.
Crushed it.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Thank you for helping us today.
Yeah.
Condolence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Have a
Rats.
good
Love
day.
you, rats.
Yeah, we love you.
Rats.
Rats? Bro! Don't say that. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, rats.